Hello, wonderful Futura interns. Welcome back to the second part of our day 5. Today we're going to do the exciting thing of analyzing our results that we graphed yesterday. So let's get to it. Be sure to get that folder in front of you with all the materials. So graphing is an important step of analyzing data. And now that we've graphed our data, we must think about what it means and what we can learn from this picture that we've drawn yesterday. So here's an example of one of our classes. All of you should have your own individual results analysis in front of you. It looks something like this. Of course, it looks a little bit different, but that doesn't matter. In your group, review your results carefully from your results analysis sheets. Choose your most successful version and also your least successful version. Think about what is the difference between those versions. And what could you possibly do to make your most successful version even more successful? Because that obviously we're always trying to iterate and come up with even better designs. So have that discussion. Once you have your final best one, go on to the next design. So let's create our final optimal pod design. Step 2. So you have time to do maybe 1 or 2 more iterative tests, and I want you to really plan that carefully. You can choose a starting point with a version, maybe the best version that you already have, and try to improve upon it. Or maybe try a combination of a few designs that you thought performed well. Carefully discuss all your previous designs. How could we make it even better? What did some of these test conditions change and made your design stronger or weaker? After that discussion, go to your supply drop sim and make those changes for your results. Everybody in your group can do that, but only one person can record it. All right. So whoever gets the best results can then go on and put this on your new, I just put in a new yellow supply drop data sheet. You can record your new changes. Okay. So if you get a better result than your previous best, record it here. All right. So you record your changes under plan, your design details in the build section, your results in the test section, and a summary of how it performed under analyze, just like we did before. You have this on the front and back, so you can record 2 more iterations. Obviously, once you've done 2 more iterations, select your very best one. Now we get to the final part, submit your optimal pod design. In this part, you are going to take the best design and submit it to Futura. Only one person per design team needs to do this. In your Futura inbox, you'll choose the supply drop design form. It looks like this. Complete the supply drop design form and leave out commas and dollar signs, and double check your data before sending it to Nisha. This really requires you to be very, very accurate. Let me go back and I'll show you this in Futura. So when you're under 5, you should see the supply drop design group. So only one per group. You're going to list a version. You can almost put any number in here. Under shell, you're going to choose what your final shell is. Padding, choose what you have. Add-ons top, add-ons bottom, make your choices. Tell me, what was your cargo damage? You do not add the percentage. Shell condition, tell me what it was, and then the total pod cost. Again, do not put commas in these numbers. So this would be 3,848. You can do a period and zeros, but do not put dollar signs or commas in the data. Once you have completed this and double checked it, send it. Okay, so you're going to submit it. And that will be pretty much it for today. So finally, just show me which one you have chosen on your half sheet, your vertical half sheet. Put all your materials back in your group folder and put the folders in the back of the bin. Check for missing assignments. Did you do the report that was missing from day 4? If not, take a moment to complete that as well. I'm really looking forward to your results, and I will be back tomorrow. Thank you for all your hard work.